just unstoppable when I've got my makeup on, you know? I'm just Tanya. Hey y'all, it's Burn Beauty 2018. I'm just getting ready to shoot a little reel, but I don't know if we've talked about this Tarte Maneater liquid blush. I know liquid blush sounds scary because it was scary to me, but I wanted to talk about it because I used it in one video and a lot of people thought I was using my lip gloss as a blush. But this is actually liquid blush. It's the only one I've found that I don't feel overdone when I put it on. Even though I'm able to put a whole line of it on. And it is buildable, so if you want more color on your cheeks, you can just build it. What's amazing about it is that it's plumping. So it plumps your cheeks or pumps any skin there, which is kind of dope. You just take a Morphe liquid blush brush and just tap it in. You know, I'll go back around it with, to blend it in with my, blender. But you can really get everything. And see, if you make a little mistake and one is too high, you can always bring in your beauty blender and, you know, just remove some. It doesn't hurt your makeup. See? But what I love is the plumping. I always thought, wow, I look really refreshed when I put this blush on. And then I actually read it and realized that it was plumping. Now, I've had plumping lip glosses before and it burned. It really burned me, being a burn survivor, whatever they put in it. So I don't use those. And I don't need them, but I don't use them. But this, however it plumps and makes your cheeks look so pretty, it doesn't tingle, it doesn't burn, it doesn't anything. So if you're afraid of liquid blush, like I was, give this a try. It's Tarte Maneater, no affiliation. I just happen to love it. Love y'all. Bye.
This makes me sad.